Welcome once again to the Daily Message. My reflection today on the book of the prophet Amos comes from the 5th chapter, verses 21 to 24. And these 4 verses, I think, sum up really the heart of Amos's message to the people of Israel. I'll read them out loud first. This is God speaking. I despise your feasts, and I take no delight in your solemn assemblies. Even though you offer me your burnt offerings and cereal offerings, I will not accept them. And the peace offerings of your fatted beasts, I will not look upon. Take away from me the noise of your songs. To the melody of your harps, I will not listen. But let justice roll down like waters, and righteousness like an ever-flowing stream. So what God is saying here through his mouthpiece, the prophet Amos, must have been shocking and demoralizing to the people of Israel. Look at what God is saying. I despise your feasts. I despise your worship, your solemn assemblies. Burnt offerings and cereal offerings were at the heart of the worship of the Israelites at that time. God says, I won't accept them. And I will not accept the peace offerings of your fatted beasts. I don't care. What God cares about, as Amos says, is justice. Let justice roll down like waters and righteousness like an ever-flowing stream. So what matters most to God is the way we practice justice, the way we take care of those in our midst who are most in need. I submit that that message is as relevant and as important to us today as it was during the time of the prophet Amos. Thank you so much for watching. Please have a great day today.